Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here from Easy PPC Tutorials, back at it with another tutorial showing you how to set up, maintain and optimize your own PPC marketing campaigns. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot more videos to come. Literally, I've got hundreds and hundreds of videos planned for the coming weeks, months, and into years. Now, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at how you can set up more extensions in your Google Ads campaign. So the first part of the series, we looked at how to set up a call extension. I've got a link in this description for this video if you haven't yet seen that other video, or check the playlist. But today we're going to look at how you set up what we call a call out extension. So this is another type of extension you can use to improve the performance of your ad, make it more likely for people to click. So if you haven't yet seen that first video about call extensions and you're not sure how to actually add an extension to a campaign that's set up, well, here we are looking at a test campaign in my dummy account, and all we have to do is go to this piece here that says Ads and Extensions, and then we click Extensions here. And you can see the call extension that was set up for the previous video, but now what we're going to do is add a call out extension. So once again, you can add extensions at an account level, you can add extensions at a campaign level, or you can add extensions at a ad group level, and I'm going to show you the difference. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here and we're going to click add extension, and we're going to click call out extension. Now, call outs are basically little bits of text that are really kind of, as the name suggests, they're calling out specific features or benefits of someone purchasing or inquiring with your business. So the best way to think about it is very short sentences, 25 characters max, that are really highlight the key features or key benefits of working with your business. So what we've got here is the preview tool, which will show us how this particular extension might look. And what we can do here now is actually start adding the extension. So we're going to add this this extension at the campaign level, because I want to really focus on sort of specializing the kinds of extensions I'm doing to this particular campaign, which is about digital marketing services. So if you thought that your call outs were going to be the same pretty much across your whole account, so it doesn't really matter what the campaign is, the call outs would still be the same in terms of relevance. Add them at the account level, but also consider adding at a campaign or even ad group level if it's relevant. So we'll add at the campaign level for now, and we're going to pick this campaign here. And done. And now what we're going to do is start adding our call outs. So whether you pick account, campaign, or ad group, the process for adding them is exactly the same. So all you do here is you start adding your call outs. So what I tend to suggest with call outs is you focus quite heavily on benefits or things that are really going to stand out to people. So I might say something like book free consultation, 10 plus years experience, fast, friendly service. These are not the best examples, but I'm showing you how the system works. Book free consultation, 10 years experience, blah, blah, blah. Fast, friendly service, and we'll do one more call out. We'll do what should we say? Experienced digital marketer, experienced digital expert. Will that fit? Too long. Okay, Experienced Digital Pro, there we go. And all we have to do now is we can either add more, so you can click that add call out text and you can keep adding more combinations, because Google obviously prefers it if you provide more, but we're only going to roll with 4 for now. And we can look at the advanced options, so we can look at things like device preference. Do we prefer that this displays on mobile? Do we want the extension only to show at certain times? The call extension video, I showed setting a time on that because I only want people calling me between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. But I don't care if someone searches at 3 in the morning on a Saturday and sees these particular call out extensions. So the main thing to bear in mind with call outs is really all about trying to sort of do short little sentences that pique the interest of your target audience. So you might do things like, locally manufactured product, or talk about your experience or any other benefits of purchasing from you. That sort of goes more into benefit versus feature advertising, which isn't really the scope of this channel per se, but I do have some additional resources I can link you if you'd like that as well. But yeah, all you've got to now do is hit save, and what you'll see is that the extensions have been added to the brand name campaign. So if you added them at the account level, you'd see it's been added at the account here instead. You can see the text here for the different extensions. You can see that it's under review. And once that's under review and finish that review process, if it's approved, they'll go into the approved status here. And then what we'll be able to do is actually use those in our ads. So that's how you set up callout extensions, another really useful type of ad extension to help boost the performance of your ads. Hopefully you found that useful. Like I said, please like this video and subscribe. I've got tons more content coming on how you can manage your own Google Ads campaigns and grow your business online. And I'll see you on the next video.